superstitious.
You are? Okay,
And I love black. I have a lot of black and white in my wardrobe. So I'm really either wearing all white or I'm wearing all black. So there's
Yeah.
not that much range. But I just want to extend a really warm welcome to all the members of the media who have taken the time to come today to look at our trailer. This has been many, many years of hard work to put this project together. We're very grateful. I just want to take a few...
एक second. थोड़ा increase कर दो audio level. We'll continue from there. Yeah.
I just want to take a few minutes to thank all the people who've been involved with this film, starting from us getting the rights from Shah Rukh Khan's company Red Chillies. They used to own the rights. Hi Bhavna ji, how are you? Good to see you. They used to own the rights of the book, and he knew that we really loved the book. And when his term was coming to an end, we went to him and said, "Listen, if you're not making this film, please let us, because we love it." And very graciously, he gave us all the documentation required to go ahead and make the film. We're extremely grateful to Foxstar Studios, Uday Shankar, Vijay Singh, Rucha Pathak for really being our pillars of strength and support in making this film. We also have Abhishek Sharma, who we've done 3 films with already, and this is our 3rd film, sorry, 2 films already, this is our 3rd film, and we're very grateful that he decided to move from a different genre of filmmaking and finally decided to do a romantic comedy with us. And of course, our actors, Sonam Kapoor and Dulquer Salmaan, both very close friends of ours, who have shown a lot of trust and faith in both Aarti and me, and decided to do this film for us. So thank you guys.
It's 100% hard work.
Yeah.
And I've been genre hopping, thanks to Pooja and Aarti to give me this opportunity after Parmanu.
Yes,
Because
first of all,
I've always got their support, even in Tere Bin Laden, our first film, which was together. Again, it was a different genre, and I love that. And this was a challenge. So I remember the phone call that Pooja, I still remember it. It's ringing in my ears. She called me around 2016. After our so-called debacle of Tere Bin Laden 2. So she said that Abhishek, because they had taken the rights of Zoya Factor, and I have been involved with, in Ad Labs, and I was also giving them feedback on the screenplay, but she called me and said that, this is the time, the script needs a direction and we need a director. What do you think? I said, yeah, there are many good, filmmakers in the market. There's this guy, there's this. I said, no, I'm asking you whether you will direct it. So I took a beat and I said, yeah, why not? So I really love the fact that they trusted me after a flop film. See, we always have hits and flops, but what's important is that after you go down, who's with you, still standing. So that's what our bond has been, and now it's like you would say, it's luck that the last film has worked in my case.
No. I remember meeting you. There's a lot of hard work there for sure.
I think that, whoever is connected with the film, the producer, director, actors, we all have our highs and lows. Ultimately, it's the film which has to connect. I always say it's the sentiment of the film. And the sentiment of this film is very strong. Because this is the film which is this conflict. And we can live in conflict. Like Aarti is superbly superstitious. I don't believe in luck, And because of that conflict, the screenplay actually evolved. So, yeah.
Into the mic, yeah.
I have a mic.
Okay, we have the mic.
No, I think the book also works because of that, because it's not only superstitious about cricket, but in life also, you kind of say, uski wajah se ye hua or iski wajah se hua. So it's two people's different perspective, and I think it's quite a common and very relatable subject.
Correct.
I think sport is very superstition
In
related
general.
only with the results.
Yeah.
Once the results are done, then you go back in hindsight and say,
Most
iski wajah se, uski
sports
wajah se.
people
Yeah.
also, I mean, there are
Yeah,
lots of
most sports
cricketers
people.
and other sports.
And even the film industry, I
yeah,
mean,
we are very superstitious.
wherever the stakes are very high,
Yeah.
people, I think, go into the realm of superstition. But coming back to the conflict, and this conflict now in this film very beautifully has been captured by the two characters, Zoya Solanki and Nikhil Khoda, played by Sonam Kapoor and Dulquer Salmaan, two of the finest that we have, and their chemistry together is really, really, really good. And I'm not just saying it, you will see it. It's even in the trailer you can see it, but in the film, it's mind-blowing. We always thought of Sonam when we read the book. All of us were on the same page. Even Fox was very excited.
Actually, when I bought the book, Sonam called me and said, I'm Zoya. And I was like, I just bought the book, so now, we have
Actually,
to
before
figure
you
it out.
reveal anything more about the two of them,
Yeah.
let me call the two of them
Please
on
call them,
stage.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dulquer Salmaan and Sonam Ke Ahuja. completely?
For Zoya Solanki,
Yeah.
red is her color.
Yeah.
And I think for any passionate girl, red is her color.
I think it works very well. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Dulquer, well, welcome to Bombay. Welcome
you.
to the media. Now the world has seen this. I mean, there was a lot of conjecture, lots of discussions. You've been talked about more in the media for so many years and months. How does it feel now to have a Bollywood release, or at least on the anvil? How does it feel? Are you happy, excited?
I'm super excited.
Yeah.
It's also my second Bollywood film. But it's something that's super exciting for me. It's I think it's on a much bigger scale than what I did earlier. It's got a much wider reach, and it's made by a whole bunch of friends of mine. And so it was like a coming together family for me. It's like literally like my life coming full circle. Like I came to Bombay for acting school. I literally was put up by Aarti and Pooja in one of their apartments, free, and no paid rent. So the least I could do, I think, was be a part of the film.
You've done the film because of the apartment.
Absolutely. We're even now.
3 months was fantastic. But you know, I was just discussing, you've got a fantastic voice. So I was checking, I said, this is because you know, a lot of the game can be lost with a voice if it's not that effective. This is fantastic. Have you worked a lot on this, or were you just
No, I
born
think-
with this voice?
I think post-puberty, finally people just started noticing my voice.
But
I think
you know,
it
can I
cracked
tell
and they
you
were just like, hey, you have a nice
something?
Yeah.
voice.
His Hindi is so good.
Yeah.
Because I never expected it. And he was speaking like fluent Hindi. I was like, kya ho kya idhar? And then I realized a lot of his friends are from Bombay.
But
Yeah,
it works.
this
The
is
two of them, their chemistry, you said, is brilliant. But who's the more picky of the lot? You know, sometimes superstition can also be, people say, oh, this person got OCD. They want everything in the right place, everything over here. Between the two of them, who's more picky? I'm going to put those words in your mouth. Picky.
I have the OCD, but
Really? So what is your pet peeve, so as to say? What is the one thing that everyone would say?
checking the lock, the car door. I have to change my car every few years because the door gives away. Because I've locked the car door and I'm still doing this. So you'll
Really?
see me, yeah, you'll see. It seems like I'm electrocuted.
He's absolutely nuts, by the way. I just want everybody to know I've spent 1 year with a nutty director, which has been a lot of fun and very entertaining.
But out of both of them, they have their own quirks. But I don't think any of them has OCD per se. But they have different ways of working, very different approaches, and that's why I think the chemistry. You know, because Dulquer also doing the Hindi film, and I think it's a lot of hard work that goes behind his Hindi in that sing sound. Because it's not dubbed; he has done the sing sound. So you know, he would get into the script and the scenes and the discussion in a different way. Sonam and I would jam on it in a very different, impromptu, spontaneous way. And then when they come together on the scene, I mean, of course we did a few rehearsals, but it was so spontaneous. And actually, I'll be very, very honest with you that neither me nor Pooja Aarti or Fox, I think we never expected this kind of chemistry coming out because we always thought that, you know, they'll warm up in the first few days and all. But from from the very first day of shoot, the chemistry was really, really good.
Congratulations, the two of you.
Thank you.
Who's the icebreaker? Sonam, I'm assuming it's you.
Yeah, just Sonam, I think. That doesn't have anything to do with me. Just generally with anyone. She just like barge in and just like break whatever.
So, but what's the icebreaker? Food? Is it just gossip, or is it like, what is
She
it?
just like, she can pick up on anything, and even just the way she greets you, she'll just like bully you. She'll be like, hey, what are you doing? Like, you know, I'm still like getting, our first reading, I was still like kind of like scanning the room, you know.
No, we were shooting the
reading.
promotional song, and she told him, "You can touch me." That's the icebreaker.
I was like, don't be scared, it's fine, touch.
Listen, but I have to say this, you know, while you were shooting this, must be lots of cricket matches happening on TV as well. Also, if you just look at that, have you ever done that? I will not get up until 50 is made or 100 is made. Have you? Anybody over here on the set? You are superstitious.
Not me, because but lots of my friends do that. Like,
Yeah.
you know, there was a wicket that happened, or we got the thing, so just sit here. Yeah,
The
so it
pee
happens.
break gets like
Yeah,
sort of
gets
pushed
just
back
pushed.
a lot further. On the set at all, who's like the most superstitious, or who was?
No, Aarti is because
Aarti without a
she
doubt.
would not.
Is very
She said she was not on the set all the time.
No. So Aarti
She's always on the set.
Yeah, she's always on the set. Her pet peeve in superstition is number 8. So
Art.
yeah, 8. So like I told Aarti, I called her when I was editing. I said, Aarti, so we are dividing our reels, and I knew. So that's why I said, so it's coming to 8. There are 8 reels in the. Are you mad? Are you crazy? I don't know what you think. I said, okay, I'll divide it into 7.
Sir, 8 तो शनि का number होता है, and आपने black pen रखा है फिर?
It's not. It's just
So
an eight
convenience
thing.
wala.
No, I don't know. I love black, but 8 is the problem. I don't have so many problems. It's 8 is the issue.
And then it trickles in because then
It's 8,
actually
it's
it goes
17,
wrong.
26,
Yeah, because then
I think
actually
if
when she like देखा मैंने बोला था.
If you
So-
try
So
to find
53
logic,
also then.
if you try to find logic in this, I think this can become a 7-hour discussion. But So there isn't number 8. There is we love black. So don't try and find a.
No, okay, so I'll not bring the Shani in the. So we had a lot of astrologers out. How many of you all actually went over there and did Kundli? They're real astrologers. All of them are sitting here. आए थे कोई? कोई नहीं आया. They आए थे. Proper पूछ रहे थे सवाल या they were asking like 50-50? Nobody was asking career. No, only love life, I'm sure.
Maximum love life.
Love life, maximum questions on love life. Actually, what's your name, sir? Before we throw into them. Yeah. Shrikant, hi. So, maximum love life. हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है या फिर निकलना है या क्या था? वाह, आपसे 30 seconds पहले मिल रहा है ब्रेकअप चल रहा है already started. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's make them nervous. Just turn this way so that we figure out who it. No, don't point out who it is. I'm just saying. But otherwise, on a general level, आजकल की astrology जैसे ये बोलते हैं, astrology से बहुत ज़्यादा लोग प्रभावित हो रहे हैं. When they keep saying ना bad times. कभी good times में लोग आते हैं आपके पास? मेरा बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है और बताओ.
Few people come.
Few people come.
They really come. They really come.
I'll meet you soon, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. I wear all my rings at the right time. Okay, before we throw out over there, I was asking you earlier, don't break this. These are little catch boxes I'm going to throw. So who's a good I'm going to throw this into the crowd. You have to catch these. These are your mics. I'm scared. You're right. Ready? There we go.
Oh God, guys.
Yeah. Those are mics. We're going to throw out these mics over there. And as is normal practice, since we keep waiting for people here, who's going to be the eager beaver first? You? Okay, there we go.
Oh God.
They're very soft. Don't worry.
Bhavna aunty will come and give you the mic.
See, I had the option of throwing Nimbu Mirchi or this. I chose this.
Guys, I'm sorry, huh? On the
Ready?
behalf of-
There we go. Okay.
Actually, they're liking this.
I think we need some girls to catch some
Isn't
mics
it
as
fun?
well.
Dulkar, have you ever seen something like this? No, right?
First time, but
Yeah.
only the boys have caught mics. Some of the women have to catch mics.
No, it'll be passed through. Don't worry, through. So I'm going to open it out because I have a feeling if we continue chatting over here, we'll finish the whole press conference here. Yeah, oh, sorry. Yes, please have a seat. Caught up in the superstition moment. Yeah. All right, we're opening out, and obviously those are mics. So you have to speak into that box. Those who have it. So who are the three that have it? Vijay Lakshmi. Excellent. Go. First question is yours. Since you asked for the mic, that's a mic. Okay, go.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a lovely trailer. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Sonam, you're looking lovely, and so are you, Dulkar.
Thank you.
You're looking lovely, Dulkar.
I always thought I'm kind of lovely.
Dapper. I'll offer a better word. Sonam, my question is to you.
Hanji.
I actually forgot my question, but I'll try.
You're so busy catching the ball.
So, yeah.
Okay, you can pass it on and come back if you
No,
want.
it's fine. I'll wait.
So,
we'll wait.
I want to ask you that when you opt for roles like this, seems like your space.
Huh.
Like the happy,
Romantic
the
comedy.
the happy, romantic, carefree person. So are you very comfortable doing these roles, or you will always look out for roles where you can push your envelope also, like, or you're always happy opting for roles where you can?
I mean, I kind of am very, I'm not, I think I try to skip genres, like with every film. So my last couple of films has been Veere the Wedding, Ek Ladki, Padman, Sanju, Neerja. Sorry, Rucha is saying हमारी film के बारे में बात करो, Sanju and all are yours only. But
That's a great lineup, by the way. Every one of them
Thank
did really well, so
Thank you.
congratulations on
Thank
that.
you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
people
you.
people seem to forget how much money you make at the box office for everybody. It's a
For
very big
Foxstar.
record.
I've been working with them non-stop. I love working with them, and but I think I'm lucky enough to be, for directors to think that I can do a Neerja or an Ek Ladki or a Khoobsurat and a Zoya Factor. I think I do the best in comedy.
Yep.
A lot of the audience things I do better in films like Ranjana and Neerja and stuff, but I mean, I don't know what is my genre, but I enjoy doing comedy a lot. I feel very comfortable, I feel easy, and I don't think there are many films that are being made these days especially, which are just carefree and fun with, with content as the, backdrop. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
सोना मैम योर लेफ्ट
Yes.
हाँ जी,
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था, सबसे पहले तो ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है,
शुक्रिया।
जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है।
शुक्रिया।
जैसा फिल्म में ट्रेलर में दिखाया गया है कि आप बहुत लकी हो,
हाँ जी।
फैमिली के लिए भी, देश के लिए भी। तो रियल लाइफ में आप कितने लकी हो? अगर लकी हो तो
हाँ
आपको नहीं लगता इस साल वर्ल्ड कप में सेमीफाइनल में आपकी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत थी देश को?
शुक्रिया। मैं एक्चुअली आपको एक चीज़ बता सकती हूँ, मेरा नाम जो है सोनम, उसका मतलब लकी है। एंड व्हेन आई वाज कंसीव्ड, माय फादर्स एक्चुअली लाइफ चेंज्ड, राम लखन, तेजाब, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। तो my parents actually think I'm very, very lucky for them. And a couple of astrologers have read my patri, and they always say that I'm lucky for the man in my life. I said, what about the men being lucky for me? So I don't know about, I believe a little bit in luck, but I believe a lot in destiny. I don't know if that's the same thing as luck. मुझे लगता है कि किस्मत का हाथ जो होता है वो सबके ज़िंदगी में होता है। हार्ड वर्क तो करना ही पड़ता है, तो तीनों चीज़ की जो है। और आपने सेमीफाइनल्स के बारे में आप बात करें, तो मेरे डैड जो है वो सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए गए। ही वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड, ही फ्लू इन बिकॉज इट वाज दिस बिग सिचुएशन, एंड उन्होंने कहा कि आप मैनचेस्टर आ जाओ। मैनचेस्टर में था, एंड इट ऑब्वियसली रेन्ड आउट। आई से नो पापा, आई कांट कम, मेरा एक डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट है, आई रियली रियली कांट कम, ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इट फॉर मी। ही सेड बेटा आ जाओ यार, इट विल बी रियली लकी फॉर द टीम। आई डिडंट गो।
एक और
So you're the reason then confirmed. देश के लिए आप कुर्बानी दे पाए डॉक्टर की।
अरे डॉक्टर के पास जाना था, सेहत ठीक नहीं थी यार।
अगले दिन बोलते कल I'll come to, it's only one day ना?
No, it was 2 days,
अच्छा।
guys. What are you talking about? This is one match which went on and on. But my dad did go for the match where they were sort of winning, and then he said he had to go back. So maybe my father is lucky for the Indian cricket team. God only knows.
एक और सवाल था मैम आपसे।
हाँ जी।
ट्रेलर लॉन्च से पहले एक अफवाह थी कि रांझना की जो जोया थी,
हाँ जी।
उन्होंने कुंदन के साथ बहुत अन्याय किया था, जुल्म किया था। तो उस जुल्म का क्या वजह थी, उसका फैक्ट क्या था? इस फिल्म के जरिए आप जोया फैक्टर
Oh,
के
I
रूप में
can't
आ रहे
realize
हो, तो ये
Zoya
अफवाह
and
थी।
हाँ, तो ये जो जोया है, she is really a gift from the God, because Zoya means a gift, and I think this time she likes the boy much more. So yeah.
Bro, कड़क सवाल यार, total कड़क सवाल।
Fabulous.
Yes. बस I'll just pass on. We'll come back to you.
छोटा सा
अच्छा ठीक है।
मैम ये सवाल था कि आपने फैमिली के साथ काम करना, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, पापा के
जी।
साथ शुरू किया आपने।
हाँ जी।
दूसरी फिल्म चाचा के साथ आपने
जी,
शुरू किया।
जी।
उम्मीद करते हैं एक एक करके सबकी बारी आएगी, अर्जुन सर की आएगी, हर्षवर्धन सर की आएगी। तो ये
they are lucky enough.
आनंद सर का नंबर कब आ रहा है?
आनंद जी आनंद जो है वो एक बिजनेसमैन है। अगर उनको जी I've called him, I don't know why I've called him जी, he should be calling me Sonam जी। No, I think he's happy where he is selling sneakers and clothes।
अच्छा मतलब मैंने टारगेट करके फेंका है, just don't keep throwing it around like that. We'll pass it. There was a
Are they
reason.
really throwing the mics around?
He just did. Yeah, but it's yeah. I don't want to smash it. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon,
Ji, good
everyone. This is
afternoon.
Simran Singh from First Post. First of
Yes.
all, congratulations.
शुक्रिया, thank you।
ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है। मेरा सवाल आपसे सोनम जी, are you superstitious?
Very.
First of all, very.
I mean, I don't know about superstition. I don't really think astrology is superstition. I think it's a science. I don't know if you'll agree with me or not, but I think it's a science. I think if the moon, which is so strong, can cause waves, I think stars and moon and sun, all of them have an influence on we're 70% water. I don't know. So I think there is an influence on that. So I believe in destiny. किस्मत में मैं बहुत believe करती हूँ. पर मुझे लगता है कि मेहनत की भी बहुत बड़ी place होती है सबकी ज़िंदगी में. So it has to be a combination of the two.
Okay. So was there any incident? मतलब ऐसा होता है कि when we are student or when we are studying, तब बहुत superstition होता है
हाँ
कि
जी।
यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. So was there any incident with you या with your parents also? मतलब जहाँ उन्होंने कहा कि यार
मुझे नाम लेना बहुत पसंद है।
जी।
नाम को कहते हैं ओम नमः शिवाय।
Correct.
I like to take naam a lot. So before I travel, I do Om Namah Shivaya. I'm constantly doing that. And मुझे I don't know if all of you all know, but I'm very I love Varanasi, Banaras a lot. So and I love going to the Shiv temple there. So for me that is very I don't know if it's a superstition, but it's a belief and a faith. I wouldn't call it superstition. So for that I am. And I think that is some of my quirks, I think.
Okay, Vijay ji, विजय सर, यहाँ मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अभिषेक सर ने जस्ट कहा कि सोनम वाज द फर्स्ट चॉइस, तो सोनम आपकी भी फर्स्ट चॉइस थी, नॉट बिकॉज शी फिट इनटू द कैरेक्टर, इट्स बिकॉज दैट यू हैव अ सक्सेसफुल कोलैबोरेशन विथ हर अर्लियर, मतलब भले प्रेम रतन या नीरजा या इवन द क्रिटिकली अक्लेम
We've had a great relationship with Sonam, so she's definitely our first choice. But I think, in fairness, it all starts with the script, and I have to give the credit to our co-producers. I mean, they are the ones who actually put the project together, and when they came to us with the actor names, I mean, we were thrilled, and we were sort of very happily on board. But yes, we've had a very, very successful run from Neerja to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, etc. And we're really looking forward to working with Dulquer now.
Pleasure.
Who said he's worked for free, so that works very well.
Is that true,
doesn't it?
Dulce?
Yeah. Right.
Some rent.
Have you passed the mic on?
Yeah,
there was a third one in the middle I'd thrown somewhere.
Abhishek
Sonam,
sir, this
आपके
side,
left
this side.
Sorry, one
Jyoti
second,
here.
one second. Excellent. We'll come to right here. Yeah.
Jyoti here from Movies Adda.
Yeah.
So can you just brief us about the topic, because as you said कि you know luck के ऊपर है film, luck कितना काम करता है, and then cricket and then a love story. So can you just brief about it, and आपको क्या चीज़ attract की इस film की तरफ that you thought of directing it?
I always say that what attracts me to a film is something which should attract the audience to the film, because then you know when as a director I'm narrating a film, somewhere subconsciously I'm working towards that topic, towards that theme, the theme of the film. So the theme of the film out here is luck versus hard work, if I just say it in a very laymannish term. Though there's a beautiful dialogue that Dulquer says in the film, which for which you should see the film. But it's luck versus hard work, and I really like that topic in our country, because I feel that there's a lot that we as Indians, and I am saying it with you know full responsibility, because even I have my family which is you know into luck and superstition or whatever you can call it, and I'm not saying superstition as religion. Let's not confuse the two. When I say superstition, it's more about rituals, that if I do this, this will happen, that kind of a thing. So there is a great degree of interest that I have in you know the psychology that goes through why a person becomes addicted to certain rituals or superstitions, and why do you feel that you have so much power that if you do that, मतलब आप अपने सोफे पे बैठे रहोगे तो इंडिया मैच जीत जाएगा. It's bizarre for me. Then there are millions of homes and millions of sofas, you know. So, but that really interests me, because it's at the end of the day, a film is nothing but it's an interesting look at human psychology, you know. And the book is about luck versus hard work. Zoya is the epitome of you know the goddess of fortune, luck, and Dulquer's character Nikhil Khoda is the epitome of hard work. He is somebody who I would say is like a Gitavadi, you know, who believes in hard work. He says that just work hard, and you know your actions will reap whatever. So that is a very interesting conflict, and that too in a romantic comedy. So when you see a rom-com where the conflict is not Jat-Paat, Dharm, or you know Garibi Amiri, it's the superstition, it's the philosophy of life. The two of them have different way of looking at life itself. That is something which really attracted me. That is the theme of the film, and that I think is a very interesting space. So despite being a rom-com, it's a high concept film which has superstition, which has cricket also to a good degree. And I think it's as a film, when you see it, it's entertainment for everyone. The families can see. We have got a U certificate. I'm really proud to say today's time that we have a film which a kid can walk into a theater with a lollipop and watch it, you know, alone. He doesn't need his parents for. I mean, of course, I'm glad
Why
that.
is this child
I'm
having a
glad-
lollipop?
That was just the image, just the
explain-
image
explain to me.
of an innocent
Which child
innocent
needs
kid.
lollipop these days?
I love
mine.
lollipops. I have to say.
Are you a
I can still
child?
have lollipop.
In my head, I'm a child. But I have to ask you this, and this is to all of y'all. Did y'all do numerology and mathematics
Yes.
of numbers
They did.
Yeah, yeah.
for
we
the
are
release?
doing,
Yeah?
Yeah.
They did.
Really?
I
They did.
believe every number has a vibration in every alphabet. I have forced her to do
So
it.
you chose these numbers and all that?
Yeah. Yes.
So the kundli for the film is working then?
It's. I hope so. Chalo. Like I said, ki it's also kismat pe bhi dhyan lag. You have to try your best. You know, you have to try your best. You have to work your hardest. And sometimes just to be on the safer side, like any astrologer will tell you कि जो आपकी किस्मत में वो है, हम आपको उपाय नहीं बता सकते, पर हम आपको बता सकते कि ये सब हो रहा है. आप भगवान का नाम लो और vibrations ठीक रखो, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
From the lollipop question, moving on.
Sir, adding to that
One sec-
question only, just
Acha,
a second.
oh.
Adding to that question only, is it based on any real life incident or something like that?
What the film?
The story that a girl
No,
is
it's
lucky
actually
for the
Anuja
team.
Chauhan's book. She wrote this very successful book called The Zoya Factor. A lot of it is, some of it, she's also been a part of the scripting stage. She's been a part of this, scripting from the beginning to the end and to the part of the film as well. We've changed a few things from the book itself. So anybody who's a big fan of the book, the crux of it is the same, but a little bit of it is changed in the to be more cinematic. But it is Anuja Chauhan's Zoya Solanki and Nikhil Khoda.
And she said it in a recent interview that it's not like a autobiography, the book. It's more of her experiences, and she's taken nuances. But the book is fiction.
Fictional,
and
yeah.
so is the
She
film.
worked a lot on the Pepsi campaigns. She's an advertising, she has an advertising background. She worked on all the Pepsi campaigns and a lot with the cricketers.
Yeah,
So she
cricketers
kind of
as
merged those two and made like a fun tale with it. It's a very fun book.
Okay, we come to the middle now. Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah, extreme left.
आपके लेफ्ट में
हाँ जी.
सोनम आपके घर में और कौन है जो मतलब लक फैक्टर पे बिलीव करते हैं
मेरे जो पापा है वो बहुत ही मेहनती हैं, आपको पता है.
Right.
मैं भी मेहनती हूँ, पर वो एकदम मेहनत पे, he believes in working really, really hard. मेरी जो मम्मी है, she is like any Indian mom in the house, and she believes in puja part and, doing everything. And I think I've inherited that. My sister's it's really funny. My sister is an atheist, my brother's agnostic, and I'm a believer. So we have very, very different point of views in the house.
लेकिन सोनम क्या अगर इस फिल्म के जरिए और एक एक्टर सेलेब के जरिए इस बात को मतलब जोड़ दिया जाए कि हाँ मैं मतलब लक में यकीन रखती हूँ,
हाँ जी.
इसका एक गलत इंप्रेशन नहीं जाएगा आम ऑडियंसेस में
I
या फिर
don't think,
fans में?
like I said, I
Yeah.
feel ki I believe a lot in destiny. Now, I don't know whether it's luck or not, but I believe in destiny. Ki why am I born in the family that I'm born in? Why is somebody else not born in the same family, a different family? Why is it that I'm sitting here on stage and there are so many other girls who are not, who might deserve it more, might deserve it less? I don't know. So I'm saying कि मैं किस्मत में बहुत believe करती हूँ, but at the same time I believe कि अगर you also get what you deserve because of your hard work. Eventually I believe in karma. Believe your life is like a bank balance. आप जितना डालते हो वो उतना eventually आपको मिल जाता है. So whether it was I believe in past lives, I believe in Hinduism, so I believe in all of that. So I said eventually whatever happens because it's meant to happen, and it is because of your karma, which can be hard work. So God only knows कि क्या गलत है, क्या सही है. It depends on each individual. So I don't think I think we inherently as Indians believe in the combination of the two.
सलमान
One sec, before we, yeah,
एक सवाल दुलकर से था.
yes, yeah.
दुलकर आप अपने एक दोस्त की फिल्म करने वाले हैं जो अपनी माँ के साथ पूरा वर्ल्ड टूर उन्होंने मतलब किया है शायद.
No, that my friend is doing that film. It's something that it's based on real events, and it's still being fleshed out. I'm not part of it yet.
और एक सवाल बस पूजा से था. पूजा आपके पास मतलब क्रिकेट पे तो काफ़ी सारी फिल्में बन रही हैं, बनती रही हैं. हॉकी पे बस सूरमा आई है और ध्यानचंद की राइट्स शायद आपके पास है, राइट, और आज उनका जन्मदिन भी है. ध्यानचंद की बायोपिक क्यों नहीं हम लोग मतलब कर पा रहे हैं?
It's वो process में है. It's taken a long time.
7 साल हो गए.
हाँ, and we had the rights, then it went. Sorry? Yeah, our films we take a little long. So we had the rights, then it went to somebody else, and now the rights are back with us. So we are in process. We are figuring out what needs to be done, because in the course of 7 years, lots of things change. Also, the way we want to tell the story might change. So we are in process. We are not able to commit to anything at this stage because it's very early stages.
Tulkar, this side.
Yeah.
So after the success of Karma, you are coming back to Bollywood again. So how are you feeling, and what drew you towards this film?
I'm excited. I think it's interesting the kind of films that come my way always. I think each time, each industry that I'm working in, I hope to keep changing up genres, and each time kind of surprising the audience. I don't think I look anything like my character in Karma, which is great. So yeah, I'm excited. And I really could relate to Nikhil Khoda. I'm not very superstitious. I don't really discuss luck so much. I feel like luck is something we discuss in hindsight. I don't think I can plan my future based on luck. And I think whatever is coming my way, including this film, even though they're great friends of mine, if I hadn't done good work and worked hard and done good cinema, I don't think they would offer me this film. So I think.
So have you never been to an astrologer or any of these things ever in your life, even out of just?
No, actually not.
Really?
Sorry. I have like perused newspaper horoscopes and found it amusing, but that's about it.
So you never check your daily horoscope?
Nope, not in the habit.
Wow. Linda Goodman and all, pairing and all that in Bachpan?
Maybe before like I started working full time. I think as students you're kind of like, oh, what's gonna happen to me? Am I going to be successful in life and all that? But once you kind of know what you're passionate about, once you know which direction you want to go in, then I feel like the only thing you should just think about is put your head down and just keep doing, and that's always worked for me.
Hello. Hi. Hi, Sonam. Hi, Dulquer. My question is for both of you.
Hi.
First, Sonam, to you, some of your contemporaries like Taapsee and Sonakshi, they have said this, that whenever they are offered a film with the role where with the film where they are playing the protagonist, it's very difficult for producers to get male co-stars. Because the topmost stars also, male stars, they do not like to feature along with an actress where the role is really big for the actress. Does that happen to you also? Because you have really led films on your shoulder. So that's question for you first.
I'm working with Dulquer. He's a superstar. I think it depends on the person, and their confidence level and how they feel about themselves and about the work. He just did an amazing film recently where his co-star won the national award. And I was very excited. And I told my father, I was like, Dulquer's co-star won the national award. He's like, she won the national award. She's not Dulquer's co-star. You made her into Dulquer's co-star.
Take zero credit for that.
But I think my father did films like Beta, Ladla, Mr. India, where women had prominent roles. And he was a superstar at that time. He's still a superstar, but he was the Anil Kapoor in the 80s and the 90s. And he's still the Anil Kapoor, I guess. But at that time, it was like, he was the young, happening, cool guy. And I think when I saw that, I couldn't understand when I was doing certain films why men weren't thinking the same way. Like I'd been brought up, to think that it doesn't matter as long as the role is amazing. But there were a few. There was Dhanush, there is Dulquer, there is Ayushmann, there is Raj Kumar, who I've worked on a couple of films with. There are a lot of these men who are out there, and you know what? They're all doing better than everybody else right now. So because they realize that it is not about who is leading the film. It is about the film. It is about the content of the film. What are you trying to put out there? What are you trying to say with the film? And I think that is the most important thing. And that is progressive, and that is incredible. And these days, that's what's working. Progressive cinema, content-driven cinema.
Every one of those names that you took, are you seeing the last year and a half?
That's
that is,
exactly what
it's
I'm saying.
Unreal the kind of success.
Exactly.
Your luck is rubbing off onto everyone. So, Dulquer, you're going to get a national award now. This is going to rub off onto you now.
Dulquer, to
I
you,
call my dad and be like, oh, Sonam.
the fact that you've entered a new industry, have there been times when you've been advised to do a certain kind of films because you come from, from a different industry to market yourself in Bollywood in a particular way? So have there been those advices to you?
So I've had these advices from the beginning of my career when I got into any industry for that matter. And then I ventured.
He's in a couple of industries, by the way.
I've done 4. This is my 4th.
More than
So I don't know. And I'm like, thank you, but let me figure this out myself. I don't think my advisors know what's best. I don't think I know what's best. But I strongly believe in good cinema. I strongly believe I have a decent aesthetic, a decent understanding of cinema. I've always chosen films that I want to watch, and I've always wanted to challenge myself in films. So for me, Zoya was a no-brainer, Mahanati was a no-brainer. I mean, sure, they have strong female characters, and maybe they're the protagonists of the film, but as long as it challenges me, as long as my character is interesting and is something that excites me to go to work, and you guys enjoy watching me also, I'm very happy. And also, I get enough opportunities where I can lead a film, And like I said, you keep doing, it'll all balance out.
हाय सोनम, हाय दुलकर, दिस इज रवि फ्रॉम एबीपी न्यूज़।
Hello.
मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि हमारे देश में जितने बड़े पैमाने पर सुपरस्टिशन को प्रैक्टिस किया जाता
हाँ
है,
जी।
बड़े बड़े जो मंत्री हैं या बिजनेसमैन हैं वो भी बाबाओं के पास जाते हैं, भेदभाव किया जाता है, औरतों को मंदिर में नहीं जाने दिया जाता बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल सुपरस्टिशन। डज इट बॉदर यू
There's a difference between belief and superstition. Beliefs, religious beliefs, like what Abhishek said, is very different. If you actually read the Puranas and what we have in our Indian culture, Hindu culture, whatever, Indian culture, let me just call it, there is nobody who's unequal. Everybody is born in a certain way and everybody dies in a certain way. So I believe, again, like I said, I believe in destiny. And I believe that there has to be a combination of hard work and destiny.
माय क्वेश्चन वाज कि हमारे देश में जो साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट है वो बहुत लो है, उसे बढ़ावा देने के लिए बहुत कुछ नहीं किया जाता है और हम देखते हैं कि हर लेवल पे ये चल रहा है, सुपरस्टिशन को बढ़ावा मिल रहा है। तो ये चीज़ आप लोगों को परेशान करती है?
नहीं, because मुझे लगता है कि like for example, it's really funny, but if you think of any big scientist who has done anything that is of any prominence, is always been a believer in God, in faith. आप कोई भी you go and do all the research, they'll say that if I don't believe in God, if I don't believe in that faith, then I'm not expanding my mind enough. I think there has to be space for science and faith together, because there are a lot of things like the universe itself that is unexplainable. So there has to be a combination of the two. There has to be discovery and the same time there has to be faith.
दुलकर, व्हाट्स योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? डज इट बॉदर यू जिस तरह से सुपरस्टिशन हमारे देश में?
You know, this is something I personally believe. I think obviously the population of our country is a big strength, but also it does not give everybody equal opportunity, right? There's so many of us, and there's so many of us who wish for better things, who wish for maybe a better job, maybe a better career, better house or something. Like everybody has needs and wants, and maybe sometimes we don't know. Maybe there's an opportunity and we're too scared to take it, or maybe we miss an opportunity and we don't know about it. So I think all of these things kind of drive people to be superstitious. Sure, a lot of us are blessed to know what we want. We're passionate about our work, and we have been given these opportunities in the line of work that we like. So it's different for different people. I don't think I can sit here and say, it's not right or wrong, or like we should change this mindset, because everybody has their own lives and problems, and you don't know what is giving them some kind of solace or like peace.
Thank you so much.
23rd of September, if your film becomes a hit.
20th.
23rd Monday, you have to wait. No. Sir, it's not a Friday.
Sorry,
We've
sorry.
just all yelled at you, huh?
Yeah, I know. But it's okay. I'm going to take the little notes that you've made and you're going to be Lady Luck. And if he gets a national award after that, this template is going to be used forever. So, Sonam, this is going to be it. Yeah. Last 2 questions. Okay. Okay. Vijayalakshmi, I already give you one shot. One sec. Let me just give somebody else. Okay, you want to ask? Okay. Yeah.
Dulquer, my question is to you. There's a beautiful dialogue in the film where you're saying, "Are you with me because I'm the captain of the Indian team?" So this actually really struck me, and I wanted to ask, how much can someone's social standing or professional standing really affect or determine the personal relationships he shares?
No, I think any of us in some kind of field which has some level of popularity, whether it's sport or film, or even if you're like a very maybe flamboyant businessman, I don't know. I think we're all a little insecure, and maybe people like you for different reasons. I know. I always say I just need my 5 friends that I can count on my hands and my fingers, and I trust them. I still go by their sort of reading of everything. But if someone wants to be friends with me because I'm so and so or something, or like maybe it'll make them a little popular, then I'm kind of like questioning that, right? So I'm sure Nikhil Koda has that same fear. Like he genuinely likes this girl, and they're having this huge argument, and she's saying you're with me because of my luck, and at the same time that's his insecurity, vulnerability, or fear. That are you in turn with me because I'm the captain of the Indian cricket team, not because you like me as a person. So I think that happens. I think that happens to all of us.
Yeah, Sonam, would you like to add to that? Since you have a lot of friends who are not a part of the film industry, you're very friendly as a person with a lot of with a lot of people in the media and from other sectors also.
My father calls me an eternal optimist. And I think that's what I am. I believe in the goodness of people. And I don't think people can fake being your friend for such a long time. And I have a very I believe that people are people. And if it takes a little bit of effort from me to put one post up or do something, it can make, it can affect some in some way, their popularity or whatever. But I don't have that insecurity where people are friends with me because of who my dad is or what my standing in life is or where I am or whatever. I don't believe that, and I believe in being an open person, and hopefully being a part of this film industry, even though it's a very difficult and tough industry, I'm not being tainted by it. I don't think in any way. I really believe in the goodness of people. I love the media. I always believe that they're doing their job. I never ever question that they're not. I believe everybody, like Dulquer said, everybody has their limitations and everybody has their own problems and set of problems. So if anything comes out, I confront. If you're talking about how I'm friends with some of the people in the media, sometimes some things come out, but I just feel like they're doing their job. I chose to be in this profession. I chose to open myself up, but it doesn't make the media the enemy. They're still my friends because we all are, linked. If the media wasn't there, then I wouldn't be there. If I was there, maybe the media, people like us weren't there, who you can write news about, then maybe the media wouldn't be as relevant either, whether it's politicians, whether it's cricket. So I think we're all combined, and I don't think it's me versus them, whether my friends are concerned or anybody is concerned. So I don't believe in that. So I don't know.
But it's so refreshing to see how on social media, where you all have such a standing and incredible following, I like how you don't hold back sometimes, and I like the fact that you can. I think that the current
Are you
generation.
talking about my water bottle fixation?
No, just
because
generally.
I have had so many messages telling me what.
You have a water bottle fixation also?
No.
Okay.
I just don't understand because, all this plastic ban that has happened, which I think is amazing.
Yeah.
I was I wanted glass bottles, right? I was like, because we're on shoot all the time, and if you go on shoot sets, there are like these little plastic bottles everywhere on set, and
Also, water and glass bottles taste the best.
Yeah, is that true? Yeah, maybe they do. And yesterday we were shooting this amazing song, and I was seeing little bottles. Now, unfortunately, we don't know where to get these glass bottles from, and so I put it up on social media. I was saying which Indian companies which are available in Mumbai do bottled glass water, and they came up with 3, just 3, and it's so hard to procure them. They're not.
It's changing.
I
Single-use
hope it's
plastic will be
changing.
banned very soon, so
Yeah,
it is getting better.
It is, yeah. So I'm just I was just trying to figure out, and they just came up with 3. Apparently Himalayan also has it. There are Catch water. So these are the 3-4 people that have it. So I have had a lot of messages about. Are you talking about that?
No. I was talking about.
I was like,
now,
my water bottle.
I was just generally being a nice person to you and saying that you say such nice things. But we won't go into specifics. One last question, and I'll end it there. Yeah, that lady there. Yeah.
Hi, Sonam.
Hi.
My question is for you and for Dulquer. So let's say you guys have this power in real life, in this case luck, and you knew you could do anything and you would not fail. What would both of you choose to do with that?
Wow. Heavy question. I want to save the world with this question.
If luck was on your side and you could do anything, what would you do?
I don't know, effect positive change. Whether it's environment.
Greenery.
Yeah, all of that.
Sure. And Sonam, you?
There are 2 things that I believe in. I believe in redistribution of wealth. And the second thing I believe that the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. So I believe I would like to kind of bridge the gap. That I really have that belief. And the second thing that I believe in, I think all the problems in the world are created by ignorance. Whether it's global warming, whether it's racism, whether it's sexism, whether it's anything. And I think that would be one of the other things, would be education. Because the bane of everybody's existence is actually ignorance and people who are not educated well. So I think these are the 2 things. If we can fix these 2 things in the world, I think everything will change.
Sure. Thank you.